What's up, guys? Let me show you what we have going on today's job. This is an unfortunate situation for the customer here. What we have here is what we call an impervious issue. The customer here had all this ballast concrete put down, and they did it on their own, you know, without consulting anyone or pulling any permits. Someone called the township on them, and the township was not happy. So now we're here clearing. Let me get around this machine here. What we're doing now is we're gonna have to clear out the vast majority of this ballast that was put down. Bring topsoil in and get them within the impervious specification, which I think is like 40% over here. So we're gonna be piling up all this ballast, hauling it out, disposing of it, and then hauling in topsoil. And then we're gonna make, just instead of it being this full width here of concrete ballast, there's just gonna be like a single lane from that fence opening to come down this way. It's gonna come around here, turn right inside here, and then go around the back of the building. So we just got one truck loaded and out of here. I didn't film that one. We had a bad glare. The sun's still kind of low, and it was shining right in our line of sight. But Corey's getting his truck loaded, and he's going to take this. He has a spot down at the lake nearby, and there's a guy looking to build up his boat ramp. So he's going to bring a couple loads over there. We figure we'll get a couple of these out of here while we're waiting on our trucks. It took us about 20 minutes to load that first truck. just sent out our third truck. We're doing pretty good. It's about 8:40, so it's taking us about 20 minutes to fill them. Not too bad. That's about what I was thinking. Right now, I'm just trying to flatten this out a little bit so I can get on top of the pile, and then I can reach that stuff over there behind the container a little bit better. We were planning on, well, say plan, estimating about 10 loads of material to take out of here. But I told the customer, you know, that was obviously subject to change because it was hard to judge and we didn't know how deep it was, and, you know, quite a few other factors. So, but we have 3 out. We figure probably 2 more for this side. I'll just pull this right in front of me. 2 more for this side, and then there's probably a good 5, at least 5 on the other side. So we'll be close. Plan was to get all this out of here today and then start hauling in some filled dirt and topsoil. So we got the majority of the concrete ballast out of here. Corey's going to clean up and get our line. Basically, we're going to have a straight shot from here to the fence. So he has like this triangle to clear out. He started cleaning up around the building, and it looks like the other truck is back. This side is nice because I'm up on a hill a little bit, so it makes loading a little easier. Let me get over here and get rocking and rolling with this real quick. Get this guy loaded up and out of here. So Corey got all this topsoil spread out. Looks like we're good to go to get some grass seed and then our straw blankets down. This is the little pathway here. It's about 12 foot wide. And this dirt goes all the way around the back of this container. Got a little strip right here. And this continues the little pathway that they have. Now, I think I mentioned this earlier in the video. This was all because they were over their impervious allowance. They had too much ground covered. And so the township wanted them to get up to code and they need more grass. So that was the purpose of all this. We ended up hauling out 14 loads of that concrete and brought in 14 loads of dirt. Here it is, guys, the finished product. We can have our straw blankets down. I had some bales of straw that we threw in some of these like corner areas and a little bit against the fence where, you know, it wasn't quite long enough to reach or wide enough. These blankets are really nice if you have a large area to cover with straw. They cost a little bit more, but the end result looks great. And especially because this job is getting inspected by the township because of their impervious issue. So we wanted to make sure it looks spot on. Give you a little shot of this side here. All the way, both sides. We've got the seed down. We seed it first and then we overseed it and then the straw. So all in all, everybody's happy. The inspector's happy. I don't think the township signed off yet, but they should pretty soon. As usual, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.